Hello guys, this is Simran Pal Singh from the Visa Factory. Today we'll talk about how we can apply for study permit for Poland. What is the process? What is the tuition fee? What are the documents required? The first of all, why Poland? The Poland is having a high quality universities. Poland has more than 450 higher educational institutions. There are many world-renowned universities which include University of Warsaw. The second one is Adam Mickiewicz University in Poznan, and the other ones are Lord's Film School. The tuition fee in Poland is very low as compared to the other institution in Europe. Studying in Poland is cheaper than doing so in other parts of Europe. Tuition fees start from less than 1500 euros per year and really go higher than 3500 euros per year. Compared to the average fees of private universities in France, Germany, and UK, this might mean big savings at the early stage of your studies. The third one is vibrant student and cultural life. As we all know, being a student is much more than only studying. University is only as important as the other components of higher education. Partying, sports, music festivals, film festivals, hanging out with friends, going out of town for the weekends, etc. This is why you will never regret choosing Poland. The next one is scholarship for non-European students. So there are many scholarship for non-European students as well. The next one is affordable and delicious cuisine. Polish cuisine is mostly known for its comforting and fulfilling dishes like pierogi and kielbasa. For the health conscious, it is also good to know that Poland is at the forefront of non-GMO, bio, and organic food trends. The next one is affordable accommodation. So in Poland, even in the capital of Poland, you'll find a very affordable accommodation throughout the year. So these are the things why we want to choose Poland as our studies destination. The next point in this PPT we will discuss about what is the process, what are the important dates, what are the documents required, is there any IELTS required or we can apply without IELTS, how much is the tuition fee and what are the funds required. The first one is what is the process? The first process is we need to scan all your documents which includes your 10th, 12th, if you're a graduate, then your year-wise mark sheets, your passport front and back copy, your medium of instruction and other documents. You need to send all the documents to the university. Normally an offer letter fees varies from 100 euros to 200 euros. This fees is non-refundable. Then we have to deposit the tuition fees. Then we have to prepare your file. Then we have to take a VFS appointment. And then we have to submit your file. The important dates for applying for Poland study visa. Last date of submission for September 2021 intake is July 16, but you can apply before. Earlier you apply, better it is for you. What are the documents required for offer letter? So this presentation is for the documents we need to send to the universities for applying for your offer letter. In the next PPT, we will show you what are the documents required while submitting your file in VFS. First of all, documents required for offer letter. We need your 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, graduate mark sheets if you're graduate, your passport front and back copy, your medium of instruction, your recommendation letter from school or college. All the documents should be clear and properly scanned. And now in this PPT we will discuss about the documents required for visa submission in VFS. First of all, when you deposit your tuition fee, you'll get a letter of acceptance from the institution. We need to attach that. Afterwards, we need all your education credentials, your 10th, 12th mark sheet. If you're a graduate, then your graduate mark sheet. And all the documents should be apostilled from Ministry of External Affairs. Your bank statement, minimum balance is 5 lakh rupees. Then we need a credit card statement. You need to make a credit. Next one is original passport, affidavit formats. So if you require affidavit formats, you can comment us in the comment box and we will provide you one. Your health insurance must be for more than 50,000 USD dollars and it must be valid all over the Schengen area. The next one is accommodation for stay. And the foremost is your ITR for last 2 years. And the minimum ITR should be 4 lakh rupees. This ITR is either if you're working, this ITR is for from your side or this is from your guardian side. We need a block air ticket and your photograph of 35 by 45 with matte finish and white background. Now, many of the students ask us, do we need to give any English proficiency exam, IELTS, PT or any other? If you have one, it's very beneficial for you to get the visa. So if you don't have one, still you can apply for study permit. As no IELTS is required, you must have 60% of marks in English. Need medium of instruction from the institution, from either from your college or from your school that you have studied. The most important thing is how much is the tuition fee. The tuition fees of Poland varies from euro 2000 to 4000. Apart from that, there is an offer letter fees, as I told you, 100 euros to 200 euros, which is non-refundable. In this PPT, we'll talk about the funds required. The first one is you must have a minimum balance of 5 lakh rupees or more in your accounts. This should be either your parents' account or your account. And if you have a credit card of 5 lakh rupees, that's more beneficial for you. The more funds you have, the better it shows that the student have a financial stability to study inside Poland. If you want more information regarding Poland study visa, you can contact us at 907 007 3333 and 96821 44242. You can follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/visafactory11. You can subscribe us on YouTube at The Visa Factory. Please like this video, subscribe our channel and put your comments on your comment box. Keep liking our channel, keep sharing our videos so that we'll make more videos for you.